Hi friends, welcome back to a very long overdue video. It has been a while since I've been here, but I'm hoping to get back in the swing of things. Today I'm just bringing you very simple cooking videos, mainly focusing on using some leftovers in my fridge. This onion and these peppers are actually from my garden. I've gotten very small harvests this year, but the garden's pretty much non-existent. So today I am using some ground elk meat and we are just making a really simple taco bake with just some leftover things I had in the fridge and then just some things I had in the fridge and freezer. So it's a pretty self-explanatory recipe. For seasonings, I think I just use salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, and some smoked paprika. And then I had some leftover diced tomatoes. We opened up a can of beans and yeah, just added some dried parsley here and then cheese. And I think I even added some, yeah, some yellow squash that I had left over in the fridge. So these are kind of nice because you can just kind of throw everything in the fridge in them. And then I just bake it to melt the cheese and then we eat it with like chips. So I have really missed doing videos and I don't know how frequent I'm going to be able to be putting videos out. We are expecting our second child, and I get really sick during my pregnancies. So um, I have just been trying to recover and also just focusing on time with the last few months with my son. And but we're really excited to welcome our second little one into the world. So posting for videos might be a little sporadic, but I'll just do what I can. But family comes first here. This second meal I did, I just had some leftover mashed potatoes, and I decided to make just a creamy mashed potato soup. It was like 110 outside this day, so I don't really know why I did this, but I've been really wanting soup lately, so I just came up with something, and my son is a pretty picky eater, so was trying to figure out something that he would eat that day, and he loves soup, so this hit the spot for him. But yeah, just turn these mashed potatoes into a creamy potato soup. So for this meal, I did kind of a different rendition of a Taco Bell pizza. I just used a green sauce and then just put some meat and beans and stuff on the inside. But these are kind of fun for kids, so we like doing these every once in a while. But it's been a while since I've made them. Um, just focusing on using up some things in the fridge. But ever since I've gotten sick from my pregnancy, we have not canned or preserved anything. So we have been really eating down our pantry and freezer. So we're like at the bare minimum of everything. So just trying to get back in the swing of things before baby comes. I know this was a really short video, but I'm really excited to hopefully be making some more videos for you guys.